With worksheets in Stable, losing track of where your projects are at just became a thing of the past. Worksheets are created for each job as our teams arrive on site and track all the critical aspects of a job in real time and let us know how we're performing against time and budget. When you open a worksheet, you'll immediately see the job overview at the top of the screen, including the client name, job date, start time, the size of the team on the job, the type of job, and the basic work description. The Assigned Staff section of your worksheet provides you with complete visibility over all the critical data related to your team that are working on a job. We can see the names of each of the team members that worked on the job, view the time that each member clocked in and out of the job, and the total number of hours each team member worked. The minimum pay field tells us what the minimum pay rate is for each team member to ensure we remain compliant with minimum pay requirements. And the activity pay rate lets us know what each team member will actually be paid based on the specific activity they've undertaken in this job. Next to the activity pay rate, we can also see the individual and total amounts we need to pay out to team members for this job. And then finally, what the equivalent hourly pay rate is for each team member based on the activity they've undertaken and the hours worked. The Job Activities section enables us to track all the critical activities involved with a job and provides us with a clear view on whether or not a job is being delivered on time and on budget. The first thing you'll see in the Job Activities section is a breakdown of each of the specific activities that make up the job. In this instance, you'll see the team has unloaded 3 20-foot containers. We can see the number of units in each container, the time that the team members clocked in and out on this specific activity, and the total number of minutes spent on each activity in the duration column. Next to the activity duration column, you'll see the estimated duration column, which is where you'll find the time that the job manager has estimated that this activity is going to take. If the actual hours are over or under the estimated hours, that difference in hours will be highlighted here. The hourly rate and activity rate columns let us know whether the project is billed on a flat activity rate or an hourly basis. And the amount to invoice column lets us know the amounts we're invoicing for each individual activity and the total invoice amount for the job. Right underneath the Job Activities section, you'll find the Job Attachments section. Here you'll find any images or documents that have been attached to the job, such as images of damaged goods or an incident report. And that's Worksheets in Stable. Efficiency just became a whole lot easier.